Hello, you're welcome to our lecture today. Today's lecture will be on the classification of the African lungfish, protectorates, and nectants. The African lungfish is a very unique kind of fish. It belongs to the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, the class Sarcopterygii, and the other Rhipidistia. This African lungfish is a unique type of fish. It is unique in the sense that it makes use of atmospheric oxygen instead of dissolved oxygen. It breathes atmospheric oxygen instead of dissolved oxygen. That's to say that it has lungs for respiration instead of gills. It makes use of lungs for respiration instead of gills. While in the water, when it was to breathe, it raises up its head to the surface to breathe in air and then go back into the water. The African lungfish is also unique in that its pelvic and pectoral fins are not as it is in other fishes. It has thread-like pectoral and pelvic fins. In Nigeria, Bayelsa State, it is called a bieseni. It is called a bieseni. The Jaw people call it a bieseni, and some people call it the breast fish. It's very unique, having pelvic and pectoral fins that are limb-like or thread-like. It is quite different from the Ethiopian lungfish, Protectorates ethiopiacus, that has broad pectoral and pelvic fins. This fish is commonly found only in Africa, though we have the South American lungfish that's also found in South America. This fish is also very unique in that it has very small eyes that are not very good in seeing. They do not have very good vision. So to compensate for that, the pelvic and pectoral fins have tactile functions. They use them to get sensory impulses from the environment. The African lungfish is also known to undergo estivation. When the pond in which it lives dries up, it burrows into the bottom, the ground, and then produces a cocoon and lives within the cocoon for the period of the drought. And it can live in that condition throughout the dry season, or even up to 2 years. It's known to survive in such a condition for even more than 2 years. So it's a very unique kind of fish that